Hello everyone. In this lesson, we will walk through what Z360 is, the main sections you'll be working in, how the dashboard is laid out, and what you should have ready before we start setting things up. Z360 is a customer communications platform for small-medium businesses. It brings your inbox, contacts, support tickets, sales inquiries, and an AI agent into one workspace. So instead of switching between a phone system, email client, help desk, and CRM, everything's in one place. All your customer conversations, email, SMS, phone calls, live chat, come into a single inbox. Every person you interact with has a contact record. Support issues are tracked as tickets. Potential customers go into your inquiry pipeline, and your AI agent handles incoming messages, answers questions from your knowledge base, and takes actions like creating tickets or moving leads through stages. You also get Ask Z, which is an AI assistant you talk to in plain English to manage records, run tasks, and build automations without clicking through menus. Let me walk through what you see in the sidebar. At the very top, you'll see your organization name, your role, and account status. If you manage multiple organizations, you can switch between them from here. New chat opens Ask Z. Type a command like create a contact or show me open tickets, and it handles it. Contact serves as your primary customer database, housing everyone you communicate with. The inbox combines all conversations from every channel, allowing you to reply, take notes, set reminders, and assign tasks. Tickets is for tracking support issues with types, priorities, and statuses. Your inquiries section is basically your sales funnel. As leads come in, you can track them moving through every stage of your process. AI Studio is where you configure your AI agent. Inside, you'll find agent setup, knowledge base, integrations, abilities, and the Insights Hub. We'll go deep into each of these in later courses. Below that, you'll see your onboarding progress bar. Click it, and a panel opens up with two tabs, Setup and Explore. Setup has the task that configure your workspace, and Explore helps you try each feature. And as you complete them, this percentage goes up. The Notifications panel shows alerts for conversations, tickets, inquiries, and other activity. Inside Settings, you'll find three organized groups. User Settings has your personal details, notification preferences, and audio settings. Account Settings has team and security, billing, emails, forms, and phone. And Product Settings has inbox, tickets, and inquiries. Quick note, billing is only visible if you are an owner. Members only see user settings. And down at the bottom, you'll find your profile card. If you click the menu, you can jump into your personal details, switch up your theme, or log out. Also, check out the help icon in the bottom right. It's always there if you need to access help documentation, report a bug, or request a new feature. Before we start the setup, here's what to have on hand. Your business email address, your website link so Z360 can build your AI agent's knowledge base. If you're US-based and plan to send SMS, your EIN for 10DLC carrier registration, email addresses for teammates you want to invite, and a rough idea of your support ticket categories and sales pipeline stages. Nothing final, just enough to keep setup moving. That's the full picture. What Z360 is, how the sidebar is organized, where your settings and notifications live, and what to have ready before we build. Next up, we'll go through the key terms and concepts across the platform so everything makes sense when we start clicking.